no water. Oh look, the line's not connected. But that's not the problem. The problem began here when they shot nails through the wall and hit the water line. That water line ran up through the wall, through the ceiling, and back down because this fridge is opposite of that sink. So what's the solution? Well, we gotta find a new source of water. Would you look at that? There's a sink right on the other side of that wall. Looks like I gotta cut the wall. There's our pipe. And of course nothing's ever simple. There's no real way I can clamp onto that pipe with the pin valve, so I'm gonna have to cut some of that wood out. There it is, final install. This is the water line going to the fridge. And put it in an access panel. And with the door closed. You have access to it in case something happens, God forbid. But this is done.